Hey guys, how's it going? I'm here in downtown New Braunfels. I have to get back on the bike after drinking some water. We're about to pass by Atlanta Park. I think I've taken you in there before, probably not going to do that right now. I love this old bridge here. This is the worst facility here. Those old cougars, cougars. I say cougars. So I was looking on YouTube just here the other day, looking at my channel and stuff, and I took notice that I joined December 2006. So December was my 10th year on YouTube. And I noticed Smyrna Cowboy put his 10th anniversary video up. So I guess I'm going to make this my 10th anniversary video. A lot's changed in 10 years on YouTube. Nice Cobra. And I don't think it's gotten any better as far as the community goes. I actually just joined making videos for the fun of it and to show my family what it was like when I was living in Australia. And I made some YouTube friends. I actually started out on live video. I actually started out on YouTube, then went to live video, and then came back to YouTube when live video barfed. And I made quite a few friends on YouTube. And I was chatting with Loud Pipes the other day, and you know, I really joined YouTube for to make friends. And I'm not really here to make money, or I'm not here to expand the channel. I'm not willing to work it that hard. I'm not that good of a vlogger anyway, so I'm old. Old vloggers don't get good ratings. Not motorcycle vloggers anyway. So, as I was saying, I really just YouTube has gotten to be a deal where they're out to make a lot of money, which as a corporation, that's what you do. But it seems like a lot of the bloggers are wanting to make a living at YouTube. And to me, that's more of a hobby than it is a business. Especially one with very little security. But if they can do it, power to them. As a motorcycle blogger, I don't think there's enough revenue in it for me to try to make a living at it. The payout is not all that good, not for the time invested. And to me, when something I like doing becomes my livelihood, then it becomes a job, and it's not as much fun anymore. But enough of the sad stuff. I'm looking forward to 2017 after my shoulder is so much better, and I'll be looking to make some trips, maybe go to Scoop Dandy. I don't know. I'd like to make a really long trip with my son. We'll see if we can make that happen. I want a lot of motorcycle trips. I know my wife is wanting to get out of town, but she doesn't want to ride a motorcycle. So she's wanting, maybe we'll do some trips with her out about. all that excited about the places that she wants. Not the places, I should say, but how to get there. She wants to fly, and I'm just not into flying anymore. I'd rather just busy jibber jabbing. Didn't even see the light right there. I didn't change. So anyway, as I was saying, Lord, it's hot here. Looking forward to making some trips. I'm not sure where I'm going to go, what I'm going to do, but I want to give this Harley a workout on the highway. So we'll see how it goes. I want to see how it does for an extended trip. See how it compares to the Golden Eagle. Right now, I think in comparison, it sounds a lot better. It's more comfortable for me. I'm able to stretch my feet out more comfortably in front of me. The Golden head's stuck out on the side a little bit, so that wasn't too comfortable. Girl behind me keeps tailgating my ass. Zoom up on me, zoom out, zoom up on me, zoom out. But anyway, the wind protection on this thing is not quite as good as the Golden Eagle. But for hot summers, that's probably pretty welcome. Get that wind going across me a little bit more. I thought about changing this screen right here a little taller, just because I get some buffeting. But I don't know. I may try to go shorter first. The shorter screen first and see if I can cut down on some of that buffeting. I don't know, we'll see. We may try to experiment and just ride without the screen and see how that goes first. We'll see. The stock motorcycle seat is not very comfortable. I've got my air home cushion on it, it makes it a little bit more comfortable, but the drawback of that is it makes me sit higher, which puts me above the screen a little bit more, which creates more buffeting. So it's kind of a win-lose-win kind of situation. And so we'll see how it goes. As you can tell, I've got this 3 clone attached to the handlebars, and we'll see how that turns out. I know the sound on this thing is really horrible, but the video is not too bad, so we'll see how that goes. So I left New Braunfels, and I'm thinking there's probably about 10 miles to my house, which is where I'm headed. I'm sure my wife's going to want to go to dinner. And so I'm trying to get there in time to take a shower and take her to dinner tonight. A lot of motorcycles out on this beautiful, beautiful winter day. Probably close to 80 degrees or a little above. Oh boy. Some of you guys that, I don't know if you, some of the guys that subscribe to me like making things and building projects. And y'all know I've been doing some welding here and there. And I think I was born, started a career that I made a lot of money, but my calling was probably to be a machinist. And the reason I say that is I've been watching this guy named Keith Benner. He's pretty famous in the machinist YouTube world. Oh, I'm trying to remember to give a description or a link to his YouTube channel down below, but he's got some real interesting projects he's got going on. How to do stuff and how to machine, use a lathe and a mill, and he's got a plasma can and all sorts of stuff. So he's pretty interesting. And he doesn't try to sell a lot of his products. He just in it to make videos. He does a toolbox giveaway where he takes up and coming machinist and gives them a toolbox. And I think that's real noble of him to do that. And so anyway. Keith Fenner a shout out. I'm not a machinist, I don't have any machining tools, but I like building stuff, so I do what I can with what I got. And Keith is on hiatus right now because he's had surgery. I think he'll be back in March or April sometime. One of them are married. And so yeah. Y'all want to check him out, he's pretty cool. Bill Corey does some DC, does some videos making stuff with his iron smithing, so I really like watching his videos. When he makes one, Bill, hint, hint. So, yeah, there's a shout out to Bill. Shout out to Keith. I want to congratulate Smurda Cowboy on 10 years on YouTube. Congratulations, buddy. Maybe we'll get to meet up again in the hopefully near future. And I promise I won't make you do 80 miles an hour on the interstate. Anyway. This has been a kind of a boring vlog for you guys. Sorry it's been so long. And hopefully it won't be too long again. Kind of update what's going on. Enjoying the Harley and the Harley sounds. And hopefully y'all could have heard me with the mic out of position, so we'll see. Maybe I'll try to do some voice enhancements or something. This used to be a 60-mile-per-hour speed limit, and they changed it to 55. It really sucks. It's supposed to be going up, guys, not down. But I think the reason they did it, there's a couple of side streets down through here that go in dead end. They're just dead end streets, but they have children on them. And I think the school buses come over here and pick the kids up from over here. There's a new subdivision that's gone in over here. I say new, it's been here a while now. And it's over here on the right, coming past this fence area here. It's called Ramble Ridge at rambleridge.com. A lot of property for sale in there, and hoping somebody will build a new house. Anyway, cheers guys, peace out. We're going back to 60.